How to do overlay on a CapCut on a PC. Today I will teach you how to do this. It's actually pretty easy. Right now I'm using a MacBook, but if you're using a PC, it's going to be the same layout, same everything. So let's just say I have this clip right here. You can see it right now. If you want to do overlay, all you have to do is you just put this clip on top of another clip. That's called overlay. And then you can actually put it on the top, and then you can actually like invisible or visible, or you can mute the clip or whatever you want. So whatever the clip that you want to visible, you click there and that's it. That's how you do it. And then you can actually take a look. It's actually going to be overlay many clips. So let's just say if you have another clip, you can actually put another clip on top of another clip. So basically you will have 3 overlay, and then you can actually blank whatever you want. You can mute whatever you want, and that's it. That's how you do overlay on a CapCut. Super easy, super simple, and that's it. Anything that is, you can actually do like a sticky like this, you can actually don't do overlay. But if you're actually going to be overlay a little bit more over, then they will automatically put on top of each other, and that's how it works. Okay, so have some fun. This is how you do overlay on a CapCut on a PC, or even a phone, or even on a MacBook. Okay, subscribe my channel and share this video, and I will have another video very soon. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.